All right, another year. We are going into Sema. Got to get our exhibitor badges because we have to move things in. So you're gonna see the inner workings of Sema. All right, we are a long way away. We are in the back of South Hall Lower, and so we got to go a ways to get to North Hall Center. So here's Toyo, and you can see they have just begun. This is Sunday. The show starts Tuesday, and they haven't even gotten, but maybe just a tent. Make sure we don't get run over. There's your Toyo. Nothing in there. Wonder what's going to be in there. WD-40 has throttles. GT40. They're deep in it. A lot of these bigger booths, they got to build all these things. That is a mid-engine Charger down there. I don't want to blow people's spot up. So Larry Chen's E30 with his 711 livery. Getting some cars in here. Talked to him. I got everything set up. It's looking good. Measuring out the ramps. Get your Bugatti up on the platform there. The wood's straining. That lip is very close, but it just cleared. Oh, he's gonna let it roll forward. Look at that wood buckling. Oh yeah. Very pumped up lace. Very excited about their performance.
Watched you squeeze things.
Yeah.
In places they should have never fit.
Well, we concluded our business. Y'all haven't been here. This is a interesting place in Vegas. It's actually Circus is over there. No smoking dope on the premises, Colin. None of that.
Stella is working for you, so you're on, right?
Oh, we got front seats here. We're in the front. C8Z06. BC got his name on a Porsche. That's what he does. Toyo booth is coming together. Oh, they got some stuff in there. A lot more stuff than yesterday. You can see how quickly everything piles in very fast. Larry Chen's Bayside Blue. We got some Lambo action. Yeah, we're gonna bust the right here. Oh, look at that Cobra, bro. Colin's been looking at this car. Wanted to see it. Another throttle build.
I think it's cooler to see in person.
Oh, it is cooler to see in person, bro. Video, I can only do so much justice.
Yeah.
He'd been watching Throttle. He's like, oh man, we got to see that. That's a nice Porsche. It's got a subtle wide body on it. See the fender arches?
Yeah.
Those are add-ons. It's still a Stingray, but I like the little something extra. That guy went for downforce on that C3. Look at that. That thing's wicked looking. That's pretty sick.
Yeah.
They got Shadow in the Toyota, but that's Shadow.
Shadow, relax. Stop, Shadow. I am so sorry, ma'am. I apologize.
Ma'am, who is ma'am?
Shadow, stop.
Who is ma'am?
Ma'am, you are not no man. You are not no man. You are a man. You are a woman. You sound like a man. You do sound like a man. You are a woman. You are a woman. You are a female. You are a female. You are a female.
Yo, bro, you wildin' right now, homie. You wildin' right now, G. You wildin' right now. You wildin'.
Y'all ain't gonna believe this. Y'all ain't gonna believe what we're by. We're by the Fast and the Furious booth. She's like, well, that's a spot. Look, we're right here by these people. That's weird. We're good. Too bad we ain't gonna be here the whole time. All right, we're just gonna put up our simple little banner things and lock them in. Colin's ready to go to Starbucks and sit in Supras and all this shit. Who will be the first? Colin, is yours loose? All right, well, I guess you might have won by a quarter of a second. So I'm deep this year. I'm trying to prepare, everything's set up for the most part. Colin keeps staring at me while I'm talking to you guys, making me uncomfortable. So yeah, I am just trying to focus this year, getting deals done. There's a lot of things I'm trying to find, and we've got the booth set up. It's very basic. If any of you guys are at Sema, don't expect to see us over there. We have the boards, say KnightDriveTV, just for backdrop, you know what I mean, brand awareness, I guess you would say. I don't know. At the end of the day, I like to get in early, get as much time on the floor as I could get. So I have some objectives. Lots of things are going to change for KnightDriveTV next year. So I'm discussing a lot of that with Emma and a lot of that with myself in my own time. I'm sitting talking to myself, saying, "Self, you get to change something." So we are changing many things, and people in my life probably know that. They can tell. Pretty exciting. F40, like a LM spec. Man, it's always got some cool stuff in here. This whole thing's, that's serious business aero there. Very extreme. Oh yeah, that interior is sick though. Oh man.
I like that because they have the brakes blue.
Oh yeah, they got the accents, center lock. We'll go. He's asking to go to the bathroom like Morgan Freeman. Balls. Can I make water balls? Here while cars are revving and ripping, it's the coolest part of being in Sema before Sema starts. Because you get to, I like this Lambo scheme. White wheels. I'm just a white wheel guy. I like white wheels. Oh, this Porsche. Oh. Guy had to pull out financing to build this car. You're in deep on this one, bro. What is that body? You got to be deep.
It was one of the biggest.
That's what I mean. I didn't see it coming. I didn't see y'all doing this. Colin, and then there's throttle people. Colin hanging out with throttle people in the with the throttled Ford GT. Here you are from Ohio. It's a good sign. It's good to have a running car at Sema. You don't want to tow it in. Hooray! Good job, buddy. I'll take it. Interesting. Some stuff in there. I don't know what's in there. I got an old Nova. Interesting. I got some things in there. Go to the other side, see what's out there. Walking out in Vegas. I'm telling you, these are the good months. This is a good time in Vegas.